Hey everyone, my name's Nigel and welcome to my channel Shop with Nigel. That's me. This series is called Shop It or Drop It, and this is how it works. For every episode, we're going to buy products, put them to the test, and then decide if you should shop it or drop it. The theme for this episode is common bathroom products. We bought 3 different products to see if they'll change your life. And now let's get on to the first one. Product number 1 is called the Sticky Cotton Buds. As the name implies, it's just your normal cotton buds with an adhesive on the bud. This is supposed to make cleaning your ears easier as the earwax sticks to the adhesive. Now personally, I haven't had much luck using cotton buds myself, so I'm very curious to see if this will work. Let's put it to the test.
We have normal cotton buds as well as the ones with adhesive to see which one will work best. For the test, we prepared a plate of potato chip crumbs, which will be our alternative for earwax. What we're going to do is we're going to move through the crumbs with each of the buds to see which one is able to collect more of the crumbs. So now let's start with the one that's just a normal cotton bud. I will move through the bed of crumbs as expected. It's not really getting any of the crumbs. Okay, I think that was totally as expected. Let's move on to the one with adhesives. I have very high hopes for this. Let's see if this works. I'm going to move through the crumbs to see if it sticks. Actually, just from the very first impression, I think it's already getting a lot more crumbs compared to the normal one. There you go. As you can see, it's actually very clear that the one with adhesives is able to get a lot of the big crumbs actually. So this is very effective. But as you can see, it's not that strong, the adhesive. So you really need to apply a little bit of pressure.
So we know it works. The adhesive will stick to your earwax. However, my problem here is the price. For $2, you get only a pack of 20 cotton buds. For the same amount of money, you'll be able to get hundreds of normal buds. So should you shop it or drop it? I think you should drop it. For that price, I don't think it's worth it. Maybe you can buy a pack or 2 just to try it out, but ultimately, I don't think it'll change your life. Product number 2 is called the Brush Hair Net. If you're the type that hates loose hair, then this is exactly for you. This is a net that you fit over your brush to help you remove loose hair stuck on the brush later on. So let's put it to the test.
Now, first step, I think, is to put on the care net like this. I think this is how you do it. So let's try to keep it as snug and tight as possible. Okay, that should do it. As you can see, really easy. It's on the brush. Now all that's left to do is to brush it on hair and see what happens. After a few minutes of brushing, this is what we have. As you can see, quite a few strands of hair. And now for the moment of truth, let's rip it off. So let's slowly remove the net. All the hair goes with the net. Let's see there. And as you can see, the brush is clean. No hair. All good. Now looking at the net, a lot of the hair is stuck there. I guess something to note, when you're removing it, just be careful, the hair might fall off and go on your floor. So let's clean this up. So not super easy, but still much better than removing the strands of hair one by one.
Okay, I thought that was a simple enough test. As for the price, I bought this for $2 for a pack of 40, which I think is okay. So should you shop it or drop it? I think you should shop it, especially if you're the type that gets really annoyed with loose hair. My only problem with this product is that it's made of plastic. So it's not the most environmentally friendly product out there. However, we did find a similar solution that's made of paper. So if you're interested, check out the link to that product in the video description below. Now on to the next one. Product number 3 is called the tension rod wall guard. As the name suggests, you're supposed to use this with your tension rod. It goes in between your wall and your tension rod. And it's supposed to do 2 things. First is to help prevent damage when you use your tension rod. Second is to help prevent slipping when you use your tension rod using the gel adhesives, this one, that comes with it. This is especially helpful when you're going to use your tension rod on slippery surfaces like tiles. So let's see if it actually works.
As you can see, we only have a soap holder and other toiletries are on the floor. The plan is to add this shelf on this side of the shower area, while 2 tension rods are going to support it. As for the wall guards, it looks like this out of the packaging with the gel adhesives already attached. It's going to be at both ends of the wall where the tension rods will go. This is how it looks like when all 4 wall guards are set up along with the tension rod as a sample. And drum roll please, here is the final product with everything set up. All our toiletries are now cleanly on top of the shelf instead of the floor.
This is a really easy one. Should you shop it or drop it? You should definitely, absolutely shop it. It's only $2 and we've personally had this solution for our own bathroom for a few months now and we have no complaint. If you also don't have enough shelf space for your own bathroom, then I highly recommend this product. That's it for our episode on bathroom products. We put links below on similar products. Check them out if you're interested. In the meantime, if you'd like 30-second product reviews, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. As usual, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and leave a comment below. That's it. See you next time.